If you've been looking for a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way to manage your business finances, today's video is exactly what you need. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create your Zoho Books account from scratch, a process you can finish in under 5 minutes. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for a growing company, this guide will help you get started without confusion. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Zoho Books. You can type zoho.com/books directly into your browser or simply search for Zoho Books on Google. Once you're on the home page, you'll instantly notice the Sign Up Now button. This is your starting point. Click on it to begin creating your account now. Zoho gives you multiple sign up options, but the fastest and most convenient one is sign up using Google. Just select it, choose the Google account you want to use, and authorize the access when prompted. This eliminates the need to manually enter email and password details, making the process smooth and hassle-free. After that, Zoho Books will ask for some essential business information. You'll need to enter your name, your company name, and a few basic details about your business. This step helps Zoho personalize your experience and set up your account in a way that matches your business needs. Once your details are filled in, go ahead and click Create Account. That's it. Your Zoho Books profile is now active. In just a moment, you'll see a Get Started button clicking. It will take you straight to your dashboard, which is the command center for everything: your invoices, expenses, banking, reports, and more. Before you dive in, Zoho will walk you through a quick setup wizard. Here, you can choose your currency, set up tax preferences, and configure the core settings that will shape how your books operate. It's beginner-friendly and designed to help you set the foundation correctly from day one. And once you're inside, don't forget to explore integration. Zoho Books connects seamlessly with other Zoho apps, as well as third-party services like payment gateways. This is where you can really streamline your workflow and make your accounting more automated and efficient. That's it. Your Zoho Books account is now fully ready to use. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other Zoho tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.